If your Silhouette Cameo cutting mat has lost its stickiness or it's covered in dust and vinyl bits, don't worry, you don't need to replace it yet. In this video, I'll show you how to clean your Silhouette Cameo mat safely and correctly so it sticks better and lasts longer. And if you need any extra help or have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out to our experts at the number shown on the screen. Alright, let's get started. First, remove your cutting mat from the Silhouette Cameo and place it on a flat surface. Next, use a scraper tool, old credit card or spatula to gently remove leftover vinyl, paper scraps or debris from the mat. Then, take a lint-free cloth or soft sponge, wet it with the warm water, add a small drop of mild dish soap. Gently scrub the surface of the mat in circular motion. Do not use too much pressure as it can damage the adhesive layer. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our crafting tips. After that, clean the mat lightly with warm water to remove soap residue. Now, shake off excess water and place the mat flat to air dry completely. Do not use a towel, hairdryer or direct sunlight. Once the mat is fully dry, test the stickiness by placing a piece of paper on it. If needed, repeat the cleaning process. Finally, place the clear protective cover back on the mat to keep dust away when it's not in use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.